Your AI agents are running, but are they working? Most teams have no idea what's happening inside their LLM pipelines until something breaks. Console logs don't cut it. Generic dashboards weren't built for agents. You need to see token costs in real time, catch hallucinations before they reach users, and debug a 40-step reasoning chain without guessing. Meet AgentOps Pro, a production-ready Angular 21 dashboard built specifically for AI teams. Monitor every agent execution live. Visualize multi-agent orchestration as a dependency graph. Replay any session step by step. Detect hallucinations with confidence scoring. Optimize costs across GPT-4o, Claude, and Gemini in one view. 23 fully implemented pages, 31 reusable components, signal-based architecture for 60 frames per second, real-time performance. 0 backend required out of the box. AgentOps Pro launches March 10th. Check the live demo at the link below, and finally see what your agents are actually doing.